Hi, it's Andrei Sharapov. Yeah, last time I asked you for submit some tender in big anbud or constructiondeal.com. Yeah, thank you. We have quite much post emails, and there's so many asking for maybe you can help me for repair, maybe you can help me for building new one or small or big project. It doesn't matter, just submit a tender in a big anbud or construction deal. But today it's a lucky couple with this very beautiful house, 300 quadrat meters. It's asking to help him to repair. We're gonna to definitely help him to find the correct companies through big anbud or construction deal. And okay, then we will gonna to see what kind of quality we will get it, or what kind of standards we can get it offers from. And it's quite big job. It's a roof, change windows, floor, heating in the floor, and actually all chaos inside. But cross fingers. I hope we're going to find the correct companies. All right, let's go inside. Demolition. That's a thing when you start to repair your house or apartment. You must start with the demolition. That's the idea for this room actually. Yeah, demolition. First floor. Walls, it's gonna be stay. It's yeah, we will see. Maybe just a painting, you know. But with the floor, we're gonna to think about heating. It's quite big. It's around 30 quadrat meters room. We're gonna to show you how to make it. But first, demolition. Wait and see. In all days, it's been isolation between floor and concrete. Nice solution actually. But in these days, we will show you later how to make it. Just wait a little bit. Okay? 35 years old, ache. Wow, this looks good. You can still use it somewhere. It's a little bit, depends where, but okay. Well, from 9 o'clock to exactly almost 1 o'clock. Yeah, it's a quite okay budget. We need to clean it, and that's it, right? Okay, let's wait and see what is next. This room, we decided to take another way. Then you save the time, just cut it a couple times, and then you have a more easy for demolition, right? See you. When you're done job, it's always you feel like king on the road, you know. Okay, today 30 quadrat meters, all right. 5 rooms left. Okay, that's a 3-4 day job actually. Wow. After job is take a cup of coffee, it's always best, you know. All right. If you need some companies to do some demolition work, or parking, or painting, or flooring, doesn't matter. Just submit a tender in big-anbud.no or construction deal. Okay? See you next week. Thank you.